Hey, 7th grade. Let's talk just a little bit about lesson 131 in math. This is due tomorrow. Again, please pay attention to your schedule. Get the work done on time. Most of the work in language and math I will talk about. I will try to mention reading, what is due and things like that, but there will be very few, if any, reading classes that I actually teach. It is up to you to get that done. Read the stories, get your family to read it with you, whatever is easiest for you, and then do the work, tests and quizzes when it's time. But pay attention to that schedule. Please be aware of that schedule. Okay, I have every single assignment from now to the end of the year till we're done on that schedule. So get it done. Work ahead if you want to. Those of you that work ahead, if you've worked far ahead, I will teach the lesson when the time comes to that. Check it out. Make sure you did the work right. Make sure you did the new parts right after I teach it then. Please just check over it, make sure you did it. All right, let's look at page 268, lesson 131. Interpreting charts. So questions 1, 2, and 3, you get the information from that top chart at the top of their page there. Catalog prices per box of craft envelopes. The prices that are given there are each per box. That's a one box price. So you look at that top line, you have an item number. The size is 6 by 9. There are 500 in the box. One box cost $45.99. Now, if you buy 3 boxes, 3 or 4 boxes, the price is $43.99 per box. If you buy 5 or more boxes, 5 boxes, your price is $42.99 per box. So you see, as you buy more, the price drops a little bit. So pay attention to that. So if you're buying 1 and 2 boxes on that top line, the 6 by 9s, 1 or 2 boxes, you have $45.99. 3 or 4 boxes, $43.99. 5 boxes, $42.99. Just pay attention to all the information that they're asking for. Make sure you're looking at the right line, the right size of envelope, things like that. So pay close attention to that. If you have questions on that, give me a call. Let's look a little bit at number 4, just to again reinforce, and this is on a previous video that I gave you, but just to reinforce how we fill this information in for circle graphs. Okay, we're not making circle graphs yet, but this is how you figure out the information. So you have those missing numbers. Let's look at A, D, and G, the totals. A, D, and G. How do you get the total for A? That's right. You add up the totals there with your flour, shortening, and water. Add those up to get A. All right? What is the total percent? The number that is total percent is always what? 100%. So D would be 100%. A is the total, 90 plus 24 plus 6, which I think is 120. All right? So A is 120, D is 100%, and G is how many degrees in a circle? Talking about a circle graph. Always that number is going to be 360 degrees. Okay? A, you add up the column, that's your total. D, your percent total is 100. And G, your degrees total is 360. And then you can figure the rest out by using proportions. So if you want to figure out letter B, you would go 90 to go look at the number beside it. 90 over the total, 120, equals B over 100, and work the proportion. Once you have that one, then you can add that number with the 20%, add those two up, subtract them from 100 to get C. Okay, or you can figure C first. You can go 6 over 120. The water is 6 over 120 equals C over 100. And then add that total with 20 to figure out B. So either way, that's what you do there. Use the numbers that are beside the missing spaces to make proportions. 90 for B, if you're looking for B, you go 90 over 120, which is the answer to D, total. 90 over 120 equals B over 100 to figure those out. All right, I think that is all we're going to talk about there. I have a language video up for today and this math video. Do your math tests. Take care of yourselves. I think that there are more laws going into effect about traveling and things like that. They really, really want you to stay at home as much as you can. So don't be out and about. I will be here as long as we comply with the, what do they call it, the distancing rules or whatever, you know, be within, don't get closer to 6 foot to people while we're allowed to be here and put up these videos. So I will be here. I will do this every day until they say that we can't leave our homes, and then I can do it from home, I suppose. All right. Have a great day. Take your time on your math test.